So here we are, a little behind schedule. At least the schedule I published. But kind of recognize what we're getting into here. So in there are all the tent, cots, sleeping bags, all the other things. Say hi to the world, Pookie.
Hey!
Then we got in the back seat, got more stuff, pillows, some food, some water, cooler. And then up here some blanket.
It's my car bag.
Car bag. Car. Documenting the starting miles. 79,247. You got the CB radio. You've got the police scanner. You've got the radar detector. We've got everything we need to go. So it's time to go to Winthrop.
Yippee!